Team Terry here.
Good morning.
So we're going to go do some laundry, groceries, pick up mail. So I'll show you a view of where we're heading out from. All right, come with us.
Yeah.
Team Terry.
Team Terry. Woohoo! Here we go.
The people on the right there came in yesterday. And when we came here, there was only, what, 4 rigs?
Yeah.
You want to wipe the window? Got big drops. Oh, I guess. All right. Looks like they're going to have some fun. Well, why don't you stop right here and go take them? And that truck camper came in yesterday. It was yesterday, right? Dave went searching for gold yesterday, and this is what he found.
He didn't find gold. Did he wave?
No. I like this cactus right here. I'm going to get a picture of it.
Horse trailer into a
Cactus. Well, they have campers in them.
What I'm saying, it's a horse trailer. You use it as a toy hauler.
Oh, yeah.
That's what they're doing.
That's a smart idea.
Probably a lot cheaper. A big sign for something.
Except they're not very tall.
A sign for something here.
So this weekend, I guess they got a big club in here. And there's an ambulance.
Into a motorhome. RV.
Yeah, they turn them into RVs. It's pretty cool.
Get all down through there now. But
Yeah, there's lots of them. They weren't all there when we came here.
we were right here, right? Or no, next one over.
Yeah, we were right over the lip.
What? Look at them all over there. Wow.
Yeah, they're all
Back
over
in
the
the bed.
place. What are they, casita?
Yeah, little casitas.
Yeah. There's Camping with the Kellys. Go check their channel out. There's nothing in it.
Which way?
In there.
Yeah, well, how do you want to park it?
Oh, let me get a pic first. All right. The traffic is unbelievable. There's a 2-mile backup on 10. So if this is a wash, this closes down if it rains. That's Jamie.
Was it?
I believe so. And if it rains, I don't know what's going to happen here.
And when it rains, it pours. Shit, I didn't even see that guy.
What guy?
That ridge. We got all these Jeeps and UTVs coming down in front of the traffic right there.
People are crossing over to the big tent. Is it open yet?
Yeah.
Today's the 20th? The big tent don't open till the 20th.
How do we get to where we gotta go?
Straight.
What's this lady doing?
I think she's trying to get to her vehicle.
This way?
Are you crossing?
Are you coming this way?
She's not paying.
Just drive. Good day. Thank you.
So we're going to get some water at... Oh, I don't know. What is it? Is it Rose? You can dump here. You can take a shower for $5. And the water is $5. Isn't it on the left? Our water.